Good day, my good people, and happy Sunday. Welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Got a lot to talk about to get you ready to be able to dominate this upcoming week session. But before we do that, y'all go ahead and smash that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. All right, let's get it. We seen the market surge in the beginning of last week, and then we seen the market give us that pullback to close us out. But with the government shutdown behind us, people getting paid, Nvidia reporting this week, I'm telling you, it's going to be a good one. We're going to talk about that and more here in a second, but let's go ahead and kick this one off by showing some love to the family. This one comes from Stock King, said, D Fresh, I have been slow grinding lately, trying to get my groove back. I'm using less contracts than I normally use. Thanks for all your help. I've paid a lot of bills with your state-of-art price precision, the GOAT. Man, Stock King, I appreciate that right there. But again, champagne bottles in the air for you, using less contracts. And family, you got to understand, you don't need to take these big positions out. Slow build that account up. Hit the home run later. That home run will come. It's okay to take the $50 profit. It's okay to take the $100 profit. It's okay to take the $150 profit. It's not going to always come in the $500 form, the $1,000 form. You build the portfolio by taking the 10%, the 15%, the 20%. You're not going to get that 100% all the time. It's going to come. You have to be patient in this game right here. So again, man, I'm super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding. All right, get that earnings chart up. If you look at this chart right here, we got a few things on here, but we're going to get straight to the one that everybody is going to be paying attention to, and that's Wednesday at closing. You got Nvidia reporting. So understand the assignment getting into this one. We're going to follow the run up or either the pullback. Whichever direction they give us, that's what we're going to be targeting. We get our bag and we get out of this play before they report. If you got shares in this one, we're not talking about you. We're talking about options trading. Do not carry that thing over to the next day, because can it work out for you? It can, but it cannot as well. And you don't want to see the other side of that. It's usually ugly. Either they're going to boom this thing really high, or either they're going to pull that thing back. Whichever way Wall Street is rocking with this report, that's what we're going to wake up and see. But we get after it after. We catch the trip up or down before they report, and we get back on them that next morning. So if you go to Thursday, we got another one that we pay attention to. Ticker symbol WMT. Walmart. That's another one that you newbies, beginners, advanced traders, that's one that you can dominate on. So we're going to break down those here in a second. But right now, newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. I got the first one for you. It's going to be ticker symbol SOFI. Let's get it. And this one right here, they're sitting at 27.82. If you are a bull, they're going to have some drama or some turbulence get into this level right here at this 29.05. As you see, that's where that 200 is sitting. We need to see them get above that right there. They can start grinding this thing up. Your next push up is going to be to this 29.60, and they can keep going. You got 30.15 in play, and then boom, you got 30.75 en route. To the downside, you want to see these guys open up lower than this 26.95, but be careful. That's going to be a bullish demand zone in here. As you see, they wick down to this 26.55 area, and then they tried to shoot that thing back up. So that's going to be innocent until proven guilty. They start consolidating up under that. This is what we got on our hands. Boom, we got 25.15 in play. Make sure you understand that. They need to start consolidating under that level to get to that next level. Advanced traders, y'all come on up. Walmart, we already took a look at them on the earnings chart. They report if you are a bull with this one, you want to see them open higher than these tops right here at 102.90. Their next push is going to be to get into that 103.10 area, and they can start going. Their next top is going to be this area right here, 103.40, and then boom, you got 103.75 back to this heavy level at 104.15. They start breaking through that one right there. Man, wouldn't surprise me to see bulls push this thing all the way to this 105.40 area. There you go to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them start opening lower than this 102.10 area. They can do that right there. Their next push down is going to be 101.95. Then you got to drop all the way back down to this stuff right here, 101.60. They can keep pushing this thing down lower. If bears is pushing that momentum to the downside, you already know I'll be updating those levels, letting you know what they're trying to do throughout the session. Next one up for you advanced traders is going to be ticker symbol NVDA. And this one right here, they start running this thing back up. They're sitting at 190.30. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get above these tops right here at 193.95. If they can do that, their next push up is going to be 195.90, and then boom, you got a run to 199 in play. Heavy level. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 188.40. If they can do that right there, next push down is going to be to this 187.45, and then boom, you got 185.80 in play. Next level down is going to be a slow grind trying to get back to this 183.80 spot. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one for you guys is going to be our normal ticker symbol SPY. And this one right here, they are sitting at 671.85. If you are a bull, you need to see them open higher than 675.70. If they can do that right there, their next push is going to be to get to these tops right over here at 678.05, and then boom, you got this 680.45 in play. Turbulence in there that could probably cause a slight pullback. Bulls should be able to take that out, but their next push is going to be to this 682.05. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than this area right here, this 670.80 area. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be to this level right here, 669.10, and then boom, you got 667.50 in play. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. And this one right here, we seen they gave us a crazy pullback. They dropped this thing, and you see how crucial these levels are. 382.75. I'll let you guys know that that could be in the works in that Thursday night's video. And you see they bounced right to my level, and man, that started a huge reaction back up to the upside. But what also do I do in the Discord, in the YouTube videos? Family, I'm throwing it all out to you. I'm letting you know what they trying to do to the downside and areas to respect. And then I'm letting you know what they're trying to do when they running back up. I said, hey, I'm not interested in this one until they can start breaking through that 412 area. And if you see what happened, they went right to my level at this 412.20 area, and they start coming right back down. So guys, I'm letting you know either way what they're trying to do. When they coming down, I'm letting you know, hey, this is going to be a heavy area of interest. They running that thing back up. I'm saying, hey, pause, kick your brakes, not just yet, because this is a heavy level. Bears is kicking it right there. They are gonna try to smack that thing right back down. So shout out to you guys that show up each and every day and understanding what the game is trying to do and not getting tricked by Wall Street's foolishness. If you are a bull in this one right here, you want to see them get to this 408.20 area for a aggressive entry to the upside. But you want to be cautious because they tested that area. You want a strong retest and a nice engulfing bullish candle. They need to get to this next level at 414.20. That's when it really started getting good. Consolidating above that, you got boom, right back to 420.05. And man, then we can start getting busy again to those decision-making levels that will cause us to keep booming this thing to the upside. Again, we witnessed it on Friday. Tesla got got punching power like no other. They can boom that thing up when they get going, but we know when they coming down, they can drop low. So you have got to respect these levels. And with Tesla, when you see profit, you have to take profit. I often see, man, I was up this amount of money and I wanted a little bit more. And then I got greedy and they end up coming back and I end up finishing the day in the red. I keep telling you, unrealized gains is not real money until you lock it in. You have got to hit that sell button. Hit that sell button. It's yours. The money is locked in. Then you got that capital to be able to get into another entry if you still see it, or leave some runners. Always pay yourself. Pay yourself nicely. This game isn't complicated. You make it complicated. Take the money. Pay yourself. Always reward yourself. See profit, take profit. To the downside, you want to see these guys open lower than this 401.30 area. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be this area over here, this 396.50 area, and they can slow grind this thing back down to this 390.80. And man, if we start coming back to this lower stuff, we got a bit of turbulence in here that is going to give us that premium burn and chop. But man, they break through this 377.60 area. Next push down is going to be the 374.70. You got more turbulence at 373.30, and then boom, you got 368.10 in play. You know I'll be all over Tesla. I'll be all over SPY in the Discord. That way you guys understand what Wall Street is trying to do with these plays throughout the session. All right, that's all the tickers I have for you today. For everybody that's watching and didn't see their ticker get called out, make sure you come join us in the Discord. For everybody else, I'll see y'all there. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and smash that like button below. So anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there and let's get it. Boom.